Good morning, everyone. Your first Arkansas Bank and Trust weather update here at ArkansasMatters.com. Foggy morning this morning. The kids, they're going back to school, parents. I know you're happy about that. There are still going to be some icy spots around the state. 26 degrees this morning with icy, patchy fog out there. 41 degrees this afternoon. There will be additional melting out there. Temperatures, 28 Little Rock, 20 in Searcy, 19 in Clinton. But look at the visibility. It's down to a quarter of a mile in Searcy and Stuttgart. That's the fog rolling in, and it's been dropping in Little Rock as well. Freezing fog now, a big concern across I-40. All the bridges and overpasses there will get very icy this morning. And then off to the west, a low pressure center coming our way. That's going to bring rain and I think some snow to the state overnight, a mix of it. I don't think it's going to be a lot of snow, but certainly could be some flakes. Watch this as this works out on forecast track. After dark, that rain rolls into southern Arkansas. The northern extent of that, maybe Pine Bluff, maybe Little Rock, we'll see where that sets up, could be a little bit of snow. That's it for your forecast for today. Stay safe out there, folks. Of course, we've got pictures, updates, and road conditions throughout the morning on KRK4 Today and Fox 16 Good Day. And, of course, your latest extended forecast at ArkansasMatters.com and updates on my Facebook page. Thanks for making KRK4 your weather.